Hey guys, this is Neha. I'm a Carnatic violin teacher, and in this course I'm going to go over the parts of the violin. So if you take a violin, this portion over here is called as the chin rest. This portion over here is known as the tailpiece, and this portion is called as the fine tuning screw, and this over here near the tailpiece is known as the attachment. That is where you'll be fixing the ball of the string, and this over here is called as the bridge, and just as the name suggests, the bridge supports the strings above, and this over here is known as the fingerboard. That is where we'll be using our fingers, and this over here is called as the major tuning peg, or this portion is known as the peg box. The decorative portion at the top is known as the scroll. This portion over here is known as the neck. So if you take a look over here, this is known as the F holes. So if you ever take a look inside the F holes, you'll notice that there is a sound post that is located near the E string. That is where the sound originates from and supports the body of the violin. So if there is any damage to the sound post, the body of the violin can collapse, which calls for a very expensive visit to the luthier. So be careful when you're handling the sound post. Now when it comes to the string, it goes to the order of E, A, D and G. E being the thinnest string, and as you go towards the G string, the string starts to become thicker. Now depending on how frequently you use the strings, usually the thinnest string will break a lot. So it will be advisable to have a spare set of string always, as it is very normal for the strings to break. Now if you're changing all the 4 strings together, you need to know the order of the peg before you start fixing your string. So this peg over here corresponds to the E string, this peg over here corresponds to the A string, this peg over here corresponds to the D string, and this peg over here corresponds to the G string. So if you need more time to know which string corresponds to which peg, please pause the video. It is important to fix the string corresponding to the particular peg. Now before you start fixing your strings or tuning your string in place, the placement of the bridge is very important. You always have to place the bridge in between the F holes, and it has to be set straight before you start fixing and tuning your string, which I would have covered in my next videos. If you have any further questions, please comment down in the video, or you can reach out to me at www.violintutor.academy. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button below for more notifications. Leave a like, share my video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.